I'm going to be showing you how to combine two orders on one shipping on Etsy. So if you're a seller on Etsy and want to ship two orders together, you can do it, but only in certain cases. So the first thing you need to know is, first and most important rule is that you can only combine orders if it's the same buyer or if it has the same shipping address and orders are not already shipped. So what you need to do is go to orders and shipping, and then you need to find your orders. We just select both orders and check the boxes next to them, and then all you need to do is create a shipping label. You can just tap on print shipping labels and Etsy will detect the same address. And then if Etsy allows it, you'll see the option of combine orders into one package, and if it says that, then you just select it and enter the total weight of all items. But if it doesn't show that, then it usually means that you have not met the requirements. So if it does not auto combine but you have met the requirements, then you must manually choose one order to create label and mark other as shipped manually or shipped with the other order, and add tracking number to both orders. And then you can adjust shipping details, make sure you update total weight, package size, and shipping cost if needed, and print and ship. Just print single label attached to combined package and drop off with carrier. What you need to know is, don't combine if items are shipped separately, and don't forget to update tracking for both orders, and always ensure Etsy records both orders as shipped. So there you go, that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.